yeah, the length of xy is 6 which is less than 7, condition satisfy हो रहा है. But if you see for first case, length of xy equals to 6 satisfy हो रहा है, length of y greater than 0 satisfy हो रहा है, but ये वाला जो condition है for case 1 that is not satisfying. Hence you can still prove that the language is not regular. Similarly for case 2, if you check, length of xy is 13 which is greater than 7 जो कि गलत है, so you have proved two conditions wrong. Similarly for case 3 you have proved that the condition is wrong. Since all conditions cannot be satisfied, it means s cannot be pumped. Pumped मतलब ये जो string है उसमें से कोई भी symbols हम repeat नहीं कर सकते, which is a contradiction to our assumption that the a is regular. क्योंकि जो भी language regular होता है उसका pumping possible होता है, वो repeating होगा तो भी वो original set को belong करेगा. But because all these conditions are failing, so it is a contradiction to our assumption that the language is regular, and because we say that the assumption is wrong, hence we prove that the language is not regular. So just let me help you with second example as well. Yeah, so starting with second example, it says prove that the following language is not regular, where the language A is given as YY, where Y belongs to 0-1 closure, which means you can have set of all strings formed from 0 and 1, where YY means the first half of the string should be equal to the second half. यानी जो भी आप string form करोगे, that first half should be followed by the second half. For example, if I am taking as 0-1-0-1, so ये हो गया first half, तो second half भी 0-1 ही होना चाहिए. See, again we know that in order for this कि second half should be same as first half का count रखना पड़ेगा, which is not possible by the FSM because of its limited memory, and we know that FSM stores only current state, so this language will not be acceptable. Hence we are proving it theoretically over here, that assume A is regular, pumping length is P, which is again we are taking 7 in this case, choosing a string such that I am taking here string of a form where I am having zeros of pumping length and 1. So similarly if I say मैंने P का length 7 दिया है, तो there will be 7 zeros followed by 1, and the next half of the string will also say 7 zeros followed by 1. So this is the language which is given over here. See YY over here. So YY means जितना zeros है followed by जितना ones है उतना ही second half में zeros and ones follow होना चाहिए. So मैंने ऐसा language लिया है where I have 7 zeros 1 followed by 7 zeros and 1. Then what do? We try to divide S into three parts, X, Y and Z. Now dividing X, Y and Z into this such that first we take case 1 where Y is belonging to 0 and 1 both. So ये रहा, this is X, Y में है 0 और 1 दोनों है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक स्ट्रिंग है तो इसमें zeros और 1 दोनों आ रहा है, and the remaining is Z part. Case 2 where the Y is belonging only in zeros, तो इसमें दो ही केस आएगा, या तो वो 0 में होगा या तो वो 1 में होगा या फिर वो 0-1 में होगा. So you can take third case as well. I have just taken it for the simplicity, that's it. So you can extend it if you want. So ये रहा first case, ये रहा second case. Now as I said, out of three conditions you can prove any condition to be wrong. In short what you have to prove is कि जो तीन conditions mention किए गए थे original steps में for a language to be regular, what we have to prove is कि वो तीनों condition at a time सही नहीं होता है या हो सकता है. So if we prove that all these three conditions simultaneously cannot be satisfied, it will be easy for us to prove that the language is not regular. So the first and foremost condition we always take is this, because it is very simple using this condition to prove that the language is not regular. That we have seen in last example as well. ये रहा x y raised to I z does not belongs to a प्रूव करना है, तो I का वैल्यू 2 लिया है, नॉट नेसेसरीली 2 लेना है, मैंने लिया है बिकॉज माई स्ट्रिंग लेंथ इज ऑलरेडी लार्जर. So if you want you can take it 3 4 as well. So for case 1 if I am taking, so case 1 is over here. So case 1 के लिए अगर मैं ये फॉर्मेट में लिखूं, so ये रहा x as it is 3 zeros, so this is 1 2 and 3 zeros. y में है 1 2 3 4 4 0 1 0. So I have 1 2 3 4. Sorry, over here 1 2 3 4 0 1 0. This is y. But because it says y raised to 2, यानी y को हमें दो बार repeat करना पड़ रहा है. So I again have 4 zeros 1 0, and the rest of it is z as it is. So now if you see the string itself shows that it is not following the language that is defined above, कि first part जो है उतना ही second part में follow होना चाहिए. So it is very clear that the above string is not belonging to A. Similarly, for case 2, if I am taking I as 2, so case 2 में क्या था, y was only in the zeroth part. ये रहा, ये जो चार zeros है, चार नहीं सॉरी 1 2 3 4 5 zeros है, that were in the y. So ये रहा original x, then 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Again y square है तो 1 2 3 4 5 zeros and 1. So if you see there are so many zeros 1 and followed by only 7 zeros and 1. So again this is not following the definition, this is not following the rule, hence it is not belonging to our original set A. तो हमने एक कंडीशन तो गलत है वो बता दिया है. Now we are showing that the rest of the conditions also cannot be satisfied simultaneously. So y का length is greater than 0, that will be always true as I said. Length of xy is less than p. So we'll check for case 1. जो case 1 है उसके लिए जो length आया है xy का, sorry over here. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 is less than equals to p. गलत है क्योंकि p is 7, so 9 is greater than 7, तो condition false हो गया. सेकेंड वाले के लिए कंडीशन ट्रू हो गया. सो इफ यू सी अगर एक कंडीशन ट्रू होता है तो दूसरा कंडीशन फॉल्स ही हो जाता है. So in short, you are anyhow proving that all the three conditions simultaneously cannot be satisfied. Hence, it means that the language cannot be pumped, which is a contradiction to our assumption that A is regular. जो हमने यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में सबसे पहले लिखा था, that assume that A is regular. क्योंकि अगर रेगुलर है तो पंपिंग इजीली हो सकता है, बट बिकॉज यहाँ पे पंपिंग नहीं हो पा रहा है या इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर ऑल द कंडीशंस टू बी सेटिस्फाइड, सो अपना जो अजम्पशन है वो एकदम कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट हो गया है, एंड हेंस वी प्रूव दैट द गिवन लैंग्वेज इज नॉट रेगुलर. आई होप it is clear. If any doubts, please let me know. Practice it. Unless you practice, it will not be that clear or easy to understand.